Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is Kaetech Digital. In this video, I'm going to show you how easily you can create this car renting website over here. So this is a car renting website, and as you can see over here, neatly designed, well designed for any car renting website that you are planning to create. So it have the home page, the about page, the services, the shop, cars that you have that you are renting, and then contact us. And then this button over here which says rent a car also over here, and then also have this rent a car button, and this also learn more also, which leads you to the about page also. So when I want to rent a car, if I click on this particular one, it takes me to the the car renting search page, where I can be able to pick my location, pick my pickup or drop off location. Let's say I want to go over here, and then just search a date for it, and also a drop off date also for it, and then the category I'll say any, and then I can click on search a car, and then I'll be able to search some cars over here. And as you can see, I'll get a car, and then I can continue to rent this particular car. So it takes me to the car renting product page, and then I'll be able to either book the car based on the prices over here. So we have the full damage cost, the non-refundable costs, and all those things. Now I can be able to just click over here to book this car renting. Go over here to the summary of the the booking page, check everything, your name, your everything that you want, and then you can confirm your order. So that is how easily it is that this website, you can be able to have this website on your own. And this is how the homepage looks like. And as you can see over here, this is the hero section, beautifully designed over here. We also have this section over here which talks about the benefits of renting with the company, that is Rent Car. And then we have this about section over here telling more about the company. And then also they have this featured cars also over here with all the where you have to get the features of the car and all those things. You can be able to list all of them over here. And then we have this call to action also neatly designed over here. And then we have this counters also over here, and then testimonials, call just call to action section over here, and then we have a beautiful design footer also over here. So you can have this website very simple, and then easy. You also have the about page, neatly designed, okay, very well designed about page over here. We also have services page also, well designed over here. So all the services and other stuff. This also have a shop. Okay, so there's an e-commerce attached to this particular renting car. Even if you want to sell a car, you can list it over here. If you want to sell parts of cars and other stuff, you can be able to let people come over here to purchase it. And then we have the another section called our cars also, where all the cars are listed also over there. So this is a full website which any car renting company can be able to use, with fully integration booking options and other stuff over there that you can be able to use. And then we also have the contact also over here. So contact information and everything over here. So that is how the website is, with all the pages and other stuff fully designed, and you can easily have this website done in some few minutes. Now I'm going to show you how you can get this website done in some few minutes. So to be able to design this website, now you need two things. You need to have a domain name, and then you need to have what do you call it, WordPress installed on that domain name. Okay, so you need to have a domain name, and then you need WordPress installed on that domain name. So what we are going to do is we're going to get a domain name. Now I'll give you a link in the description, and then you can use that link to go to this place. Just type in kaetechdigital.com/namecheap, and you can be able to get over here. Now that link is an affiliate link. If you use it to buy anything over here, I'm just going to get a commission on whatever thing that you buy, and it helps me to create more videos for you guys. Okay, so that is basically it. Now this is how the website looks like. You can search for your domain name over here. So let's say I want to search for this let's say rentcarsdh.com. okay, and then I can just click over here to search for it. All right, so as you can see over here, the domain name is what, 11.28 USD, and it will be renewed for 14.9, or that is, the retail is 14.98. okay, and then if you use this coupon code over here, you're going to get it 6.49 a year. That is per year. Okay, and that is it. Now if you want it and you are okay with it, you can click on add to cart over here, and then you are good to go. Now when you get a domain name, you need to have a hosting also, so you need to make sure that you go over here and then click on shared hosting or any other hosting that you want, but I will use shared hosting, and then choose this one because this one gives you unlimited website over here. You can host unlimited website on it, and then you can click on get started over here to choose your to link your hosting to your domain, and then you can go ahead and purchase it. Okay, so that is it. Now I'm not going to go into details on how to get domain and other stuff. I have videos on how you can be able to purchase domain. I'll leave the link in the description for you, and then you can be able to go over there to get it. Now that you have your domain and hosting, now it's going to show something like this. I already have domain and hosting, so it's no big problem. I'm just going to go to my dashboard for you guys to see how it looks like. All right, so it's going to show something like this. So you're going to have this one, which is your domain name, and this one, which is your hosting. And then if your SSL is fully integrated, you're going to have this one. Now I'm using an external SSL, so these ones are all expired and I'm not using it anymore. But if you have this one and this one, you're good to go. Okay, so now the next one, you see your domain over here, and then this one is the domain, this one is the hosting. Now the next step is for you to install WordPress on your hosting. So to install WordPress on your hosting, you're going to go to your hosting cPanel. Okay, so to go to your cPanel, hover on this particular icon over here, and then click on go to cPanel. Now also note that when you are when you set up your domain and hosting, you'll be getting messages in your email, and then how to log into your hosting cPanel is all in your domain name, is all in your email. So you can go over there to check your email, and then you're going to see your password and all those things, where how you can be able to log into your hosting. But this is an easy way to log into my hosting without entering password and anything. Okay, that is what I do. Now that we are over here, we want to install WordPress. Now scroll down to what we call the script over here, which is Spectacular. Under Spectacular Apps Installer, we have script over here, and then there is WordPress over here. So just click on WordPress. All right, so now that we are over here, what we're going to do is we're going to click on install. Okay, so we're going to install WordPress, and as you can see, we're going to install WordPress on this particular domain. Now if you have a lot of domains on it, it's going to show like this. Okay, but I'm going to install WordPress on this particular domain over here. Now make sure that it is the highest version of the WordPress that you're going to install. Okay, and then you enter your name, you enter your site description, you enter the admin name, and then you also choose a password. So I'm going to just enter name as rent car, and then I'll say maybe car renting website. Okay, and then over here I'll just use rent car for the admin username, and now you can choose any password that you want by just clicking on this one. It's going to set more password, or you can just set your own password. Okay, so it depends on you. I'm just going to just use the passwords over here, and then you can also put your email address over here. So I'm going to just use info@kaetechtutorials.com over here, and then over here I'm going to just remove this ones. Okay, so I'm going to uncheck this ones. I don't want to install any plugin. And then right over here also, you can put in your email address where your installation will go to. Okay, so the details of your installation have to go somewhere, and put your email address so that you see all your details of your installation. Now I'm going to just click on install, and it's going to take me some few minutes to be able to install the WordPress on my website. Alright, so as you can see, I have WordPress installed, and if I click over here, I can be able to see the new website over here. So as you can see, this is a new website. There is nothing on it. Okay, so we want to log on to the admin side of the website. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the administrative URL. Just click over here. It's going to log you on to the admin side of the website. All right, guys, so as you can see, this is exactly what we want. Okay, so this is the dashboard over here, and there's some few things that you have to do. Now, first of all, I love to just keep my dashboard clean. So I'm going to just remove things over here. I'll click on screen options over here and just remove some of the things that I don't need. Okay, basically I don't need any of these things over here, so that I have a clean dashboard. Now I'm going to go to settings over here. I'm going to check my general settings to see if everything is okay for me. Yeah, I think everything is fine. So check all the settings and see if everything is fine. Make sure that your WordPress URL is the same as your site URL. Okay, you can set your site icon also for it. And then I'm going to go to permalinks over here, and then I'm going to set my permalinks, remove it from day and name, and then set it to post name over here, and then I'll click on save changes over here. All right, so now this is it. This is how it looks like. Everything is fine for me. Now my next step is to go ahead and then install a theme. Now for you to be able to create WordPress websites, you need themes and plugins to help you to be able to create this amazing WordPress website. Now what WordPress themes does is it's just like a building blocks of every WordPress website. Okay, so that is it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, without a theme you cannot create any WordPress website. And as you can see, at the moment you install WordPress, it comes with a pre-installed and activated theme, because the WordPress website needs to run on a theme. Something needs to be running on it to be able to work. Okay, and that is it. But I'm going to delete the rest over here. I'm going to delete this one also. I'll click on it to delete. All right, so I have this one here. Now click on add new theme. Okay, so basically the theme that we are going to use for this particular WordPress website, to get this where is the website, this particular website, full website over here. Okay, to get this website over here, now the theme that we're going to use, a child theme to be able to help us do it. But to be able to get that child theme, or to be able to get that template itself, we need to install the parent theme. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look for the parent theme over here, and the parent theme is this particular one over here, which is the Kadence theme, because the template is built on the Kadence theme. So we're going to just install this particular theme over here. Now what we will do is we will install it, but we are not going to activate it. Okay, so if you go to themes, if you go back to your themes, you see that you have this one installed over here, but it is not activated. Do not activate it. Okay, so don't activate it. Now the next step is for us to get this whole template, the demo, everything on our website. Now to be able to get this one, open a new tab over here, and then go to a website called Template Seller. Okay, templateseller.com. Now if you go over here, they're going to have this current theme over here, which is 59 USD. Okay, so if you click over here, you're going to see that the current theme is 59 USD. It gives you details of everything about the current thing, all the things over here. There are more templates over there. So they have the football template, the electronic shop template, and all those things. Okay, but this one is 59 USD, which is quite not that expensive, but it's okay. because looking at the template 59, it's quite okay. But if you scroll down over here, or if you go to the website or where the templates are over here, you're gonna see that they have some bundle of templates that they are selling for $49. Okay, so if you look over here, this is 17 WordPress website template bundle going for 49 USD. Now let's look at what is into that website template, which is going for 49 USD. So if you scroll down, you see that you're going to get portfolio website, cryptocurrency investment template, accounting firm template, shipping company template, multi-zero or pre school template. You're going to get rental template. You're going to get e-commerce. You're going to get travel and tour, a whole lot of what templates over here. And this is the template that we are looking for, which is the car rental with booking features. Okay, that is what we are looking for. It is inside this template. So why would I buy this alone $59 whilst I can have this whole bundle of templates for $49? So that is exactly what we're going to go for. So you can click over here, which is the buy now over here, and then it will take you to this particular place over here. And over here you can choose. You see, in my currency, it is what it is, $759 Ghana cedi for me to get all this templates that is over here. So these are all the templates over here. But of course, if let's say I want to change it to, let's say, Nigerian cedis, Nigerian naira, or Nigerian currency over here, it's gonna be 75,400. Okay, now if I change it to, let's say USD, okay, if I change it to USD, it's gonna be $49 over here. So you can check your currency over here and then change it over there. So let me go to Ghana cedi over here, so I can go to Ghana cedi and then I'll be able to have it. So if I click on buy now over here, I can fill my details over here, my name, my email, and then click on pay now to be able to get this template. Okay, now I already have the template. I've already purchased the template. All what I need to do is to put it inside my website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my themes over here, and then I'm going to go to add new theme. So I'm going to click on add new theme over here. All right, so I'm going to click on add new theme over here. So I'll click on it, and then I don't need to search for the theme. I need to upload the theme because I already have the theme already. So I'm going to just click on upload. Now when I go to my desktop, you see that when you when you download the theme, or when you download the template, the 17 templates, you're going to have this particular one over here. And then when you extract it, you're going to get this one over here. So you're going to get these two things over here. You have the 17 and then its documentation over here. So I'm going to just go into this one, and I'll have all the templates inside it. So as you can see, all the templates are inside it. Okay, so the one that I'm looking for is the rent car template, and that is what I'm going to look for. Okay, so now let me go back over here, and then I can decide to just drag it from the desktop, or I can decide to click on choose file over here, go to my desktop over here, and then click on this one, go inside this one, and then click on rent car over here, and then click on open. Now I can click on install now to install the template. Alright guys, so the template is installed successfully, and all what we need to do is to click on activate to activate it. So I'm going to click on activate to activate it, and at the moment we activate it, we're going to have this rent car activated over here. So this is the child theme that we are talking about. It is activated. Now as you activate it, you see that you still wouldn't have the website the way you want it. So if we go to, let's say, let me go to the front end of the website, it looks like this, right? It looks like that, even though this one says rent a car and all those things, but there is nothing over here for us to have. We need to import the demo. Okay, so we are using the child theme, all right, but we still need to import the demo, and to do that we need to click on install AI starter template over here. So we're going to click on this one over here. Now the moment you click on it, you see that we have this one over here, which is template seller. Okay, so remember that we bought this theme from template seller, so we click on this one, and the theme that we bought is over here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on this one, and then we're going to have this whole theme over here. Okay, so everything that we want, all what we need to do is to click on finish and launch. So we're going to click on finish and launch. We're going to click on start import, and it's going to import everything for us so that we have a complete website to be able to change some few things and then have a website on our own. Alright guys, so as you can see, our template has been imported successfully, and we can go ahead to see our website. We can click over here, we can click here to see the pages, or we can even go ahead and then refresh this page. So let's go ahead and refresh this page over here. So I'm going to refresh the website. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have a fully designed website for us that we didn't do nothing about. All what we need to do is to just go ahead and then do some few changes that we have to do for everything to work fine. So to be able to customize or do something about this website, it's also very simple. All what you need to do is to click on it is built with Elementor, so you need to click on edit with Elementor. So when you click on edit with Elementor, you can be able to edit all the things on the website. Alright guys, so this is our Elementor page builder or website builder. What we can do is we close this one over here, and then we can be able to edit everything over here. So if I click on this one, I can just go ahead and then make changes over here. Okay, so travel made easy and accessible for everyone. I can make it rent the best cars here. Okay, so rent the best cars here is it. You can change anything you want to change from this place. You don't have to deal with design and all those things because everything is already set up for you. Now with this one, we can go ahead and even remove everything over here and then put in our own links and other stuff. Okay, so we go over here and then we check the um the how do you call it, the color and all those things. We can be able to change it. So let's say we want to make our website kind of like red color or something like that. We can go over here. Let me just click here and then use this theme, accent theme over here. Now if I click on publish, okay, I can go to the customizer of this and change some of the colors. Okay, so if I come over here, like for instance, let's say this one over here. Okay, so I want to see what is happening. Okay, because if you look at this particular one, so if I look at this one, this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. Now I want to also make sure that this one also fits everything the way I want it. So what I'll do is I'm gonna go here. Okay, and then I'll come to this place and then I'll select this particular inner section over here. Okay, this particular inner section over here. Now I'll go to style over here, and then let's see the background. So I'm just going to change the background color to this. So as you can see, it is now working. So the background color wasn't changed, so I just have to change it, and everything comes back to life. Okay, so basically just some two fixes. They're just the button and this particular color over here, and then I can publish it. So you can edit everything over here. Okay, so you can edit so many things over here. Everything that you want to edit, you just have to edit it. Okay, now if I want to even change logo and all those things, now this is having a transparent header. Okay, so as you can see over here, it's a transparent header. Yeah, so if I want to change the logo and all those things, I just need to let me close this one, exit to WordPress, and then I have to just go to the customizer section. Okay, so I'll go to the customizer section and then change the logo, change the colors, change everything over there, and then you are good to go. Okay, so this particular one is from WordPress. Now the website is designed in such a way that you have to have security on it. So WordPress is over here. All what you need to do is to set it up. Okay, so just set it up correctly, resume installation, and then install um, a free license key, and then you are able to secure your website. Now let's go to the other side, whereby you have to change the logo and all those things. Now to change the logo, it is also very simple. You can go ahead and then hover on appearance over here, click on customize over here. So I'm going to just click on customize over here. All right, so now that we are over here, all what we need to do is to click on header over here. All right, so I can just go ahead and then click over here, and then as you can see, this is my logo. I can change the logo, just insert my own logo over there and then use it. Okay, so let's say let me see if I could get some different. Okay, so let's say this is my logo, right? Or let's say this is my logo. Okay, and I want to use this one. I can just go ahead and then just insert the logo. I'll just keep cropping because I don't want to crop it, and then we are good to go. Okay, so this is the logo for the main one, and remember, this is a transparent header, so we'll still have this same logo, but at least this is the logo for the main one. So when I scroll down, I still have to get it, but when I go to a different place which doesn't have a transparent header, it's going to use this particular one. Okay, so to be able to change this one, let me just go ahead and say maybe this is an 80, right? Okay, this is the maximum width for the logo, which is an 80. Now to be able to change this transparent one, I need to go over here, scroll down, and see this is transparent, right? And this is what the logo over here. I can just click over here and then change the logo from here, and then come over here and then insert this one. And as you can see, this is it. Okay, this is the logo over here. So now as you can see, I have what a new logo over here. Now if I scroll down, I still have this one, which is the sticky logo. So I'll just go back over here, and then you see this one, which is the sticky header logo. I can also go ahead and then change this one also to my new logo that I'm using. So this one over here, choose this one, and you are good to go. All right, so you see, what I need to do is to just just make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so then I'm good to go. So it is best for you to have something like a logo which is in a landscape format, right? Very long logo like this, right? That is what best. Okay, it is best to have that kind of logo. It helps a lot, and that is it. So as you can see, now we have all our logos set up. So if I go over here to the logo and I say, okay, maybe let me choose a title and logo and title over here. So it's going to be something like this, right? And then I'm going to have this one, instead of 80, let me just have it like a 50. Okay, and then this is the title. I can just change this one to, instead of rent car, I can change it to a different maybe cars GH, right? So that is it. Then I can come to design over here, and then font color, I can change it to white. Okay, so as you can see, now it is white. I can change even everything, the font and the size and all those things. So that if I feel the size is too small, I can change it to maybe 35. Okay, so I can have something like this. And as you can see, I can go ahead and then go to my sticky over here. Okay, go to it, design. Okay, and then logo color also, I can change it to because it's sticky, let me change it to black. Okay, so as you can see, it's gonna be black over here. So this is how you can be able to design and customize your website. Now let's go to the 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 colors and other stuff. Right now, for instance, this colors over here, I want to change it. Now first of all, go to colors and font, go to your color palette, and you can be able to change the colors over here. So let's say I want to make this color maybe yellow. Okay, so I want to just change this one to yellow, change this one also to yellow like this. Right now, this one will run through. So you see that this one has changed over here. It's going to run through certain places. Okay, so most of the places that you did not use the color palette, it's going to it's going to change. So if I come to the buttons over here, this is how it's going to be. So if I publish it, okay, and let's say if I go to see my website over here, okay, so this one hasn't changed, but at least if I go through the website, you realize that some of the places have changed, but we can still change the buttons over here. So we can change this one to this one. Okay, so let me go to the header itself. Okay, so let me go to the header itself and go to buttons over here, go to design over here. Right, okay, so now this one is not using the global colors. Okay, so if I change this one to this, and if I change this one to this, you see it has changed over here. Okay, so this one wasn't using the global colors, but if you use the global colors, everything is gonna change for you. Okay, so basically you can go ahead and then customize everything, the look and feel and everything the way you want it by using Elementor, and then also some of the how do you call it, some of the places that you have to change, you just change them. Okay, so if I go to navigation over here, and if I go to design over here, what I need to do is to just use the global colors over here. Let me just use the global colors. Okay, so if I come to transparent over here and I go to design, okay, this one also is going to use the global colors, right? Yeah, so we're going to use the global colors, and as you can see, everything is changing. So you just need to set up everything the correct way, and you're going to have everything the way you want it. The same thing applies to the sticky header also. So if I go to the sticky header and I go to design over here, I just need to change it. So everywhere that these colors are, I just need to set it to my own colors. Okay, so then I'm going to get a very nice website for myself, and that's exactly how you do your things. Okay, that's exactly how you set up your website, car renting website. So you can do for all the pages and everything, all the pages. If you go to services over here, you can change things the way you want it, change all the things, the colors and all those things, make it make sense, make it make sense. Yeah, make it make sense. Let it be like it is it is yours. Okay, so change everything, and that is what you're supposed to do. Okay, so if I go to add to cart over here and I go to view cart, okay, so you see that the yellow color is running through it because of the global colors that is using. Okay, so basically I think this is how you can be able to create a car renting website for yourself or for any client easily. You can use one day, not even one day, just some few minutes to create the website, edit everything, all the things that are on it. You can be able to edit it, make it your own, change the pictures, change the images, change everything, and make it your own. And you have this one and other templates for $49 and a website that you create, and you are good to go. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I hope this tutorial helps you to be able to create your own website for yourself or for clients. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Now, if you are a web designer, a freelancer, or a business owner looking to build stunning websites fast, then you're going to love what I've got for you today. I've just dropped an incredible bundle of 17 pre-made WordPress templates, all built with Elementor, and you can grab the entire bundle for just $49. Yes, $49. All 17 pre-made bundles are going for $49. If you ever spend hours building a website from scratch or wasted time trying to make free templates look good, this bundle is going to save you a ton of time and effort. These templates are ready to use, professionally designed, mobile responsive, and super easy to customize with WordPress free version. No coding needed. Let me quickly show you what you're going to get inside this bundle. So inside this bundle, you're going to get a portfolio template, crypto investment template with a dashboard, accounting template, digital marketing agency template, shipping company website or shipping company template, car rental template, salon template, e-commerce stores template, football club template, photography website template, church website. In fact, you're going to get 2 church website templates. You also get travel and tour agency website template. You're going to get dentist template, law firm template, school or Montessori or kindergarten template, and then a hospital or clinic template, all going for $49 USD. It is just a one-time fee, no monthly fee, no hidden cost. Just download, import, and launch your website. All what you need to do is to edit the content and you are ready to go. So if you are ready to build faster, work smarter, and impress your clients, don't miss this deal. I'm going to put the link in the description over there, and go and grab this particular template bundle for just $49 now.